Hi, it's Doug Atkinson here again from Black Sun Mortgage to talk about financing for the property you just finished touring at 10522 Mcveety Street in Maple Ridge, British Columbia. If you stumbled upon this video without seeing the tour, you can see it right up here. Just click on that link and you can see the full home tour. Today we're going to talk about 20% down and 35% down on the purchase of this property with a mortgage helper. So we'll be talking a little bit more about the mortgage helper and how to qualify for a mortgage and the income required to get into this property. The purchase price of this property is $1,598,000. With 20% down, you need $319,600. You'll have a first mortgage of $1,278,400. At 6.05%, you're looking at a monthly payment of $7,644.22 a month. If we include the mortgage helper down below, that would eliminate an additional $1,300 from that payment, so your monthly payment would now be $6,344.22. The annual salary needed for this, your income should be $301,796. Taking into consideration for the qualification was city taxes of $2,815 plus heating costs of approximately $150 a month. At 35% down, you need $559,300. You'll have a first mortgage of $1,038,700. At 6.05%, the monthly payment is $6,210.93. And again, knocking off another $1,300 from this gives you a monthly payment of roughly $4,910.93. The income required for this is $247,914. Property transfer tax on this property is 1% on the first $200,000 and 2% on the balance up and including $2 million. So the property transfer tax on this property is $29,960. This is a new build, so GST is required to be paid when you purchase this property. The GST is at 5%. The GST cost on this property is $79,900. There is no rebate on GST as the property is over $1 million in value. Costs that aren't included in a mortgage would be GST and the property transfer tax. These are cash amounts that have to be included with your down payment. So at 20% down, you'll be walking into the notaries with a check for $429,460, plus or minus what you have to pay the notary for disbursements and their costs. At 35% down, you would walk into the notary's office with a check for $709,160, plus or minus the cost of closing for the notary. The property comes with a mortgage helper, a one-bedroom suite downstairs, and that is included in the qualifications for your income to get a mortgage. The banks and lenders usually will take 12 months of rental payments divided by 50%, and they'll add that to your income, and that will help you qualify for a larger mortgage. But at the end of the day, once you qualify, that extra $1,300 a month will go directly towards paying down your monthly mortgage costs. Well, that's it for financing on this particular property. If you wanted to see the full home tour again, you can just click on the link up above here. If you have any questions on financing this particular property or any others, please email me at the link below here. And if you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and we will see you on the next tour.